अच्छा कॉल. So hey, hi guys, how are you? Hello. I am live because you all requested, so मैंने सोचा let me do this. And I am home. Okay, let me just hold it. I am home. I'm in Gurgaon. I hope you all are doing good. Hi, Daddy. You didn't come home. We couldn't take a picture. Yes, after so long you all requested. I read your request and मैंने सोचा कि चलो 10 मिनट के लिए आ जाती हूँ. Let me talk to you all and wish you all a very very happy new year. Everybody who's sitting at home and not on a vacation, for them. People like me, hands up. Hello. Hi. Hello everyone. Yeah, in winters I get very pink. You know, it is so cold here. Fog already set हो गया इधर. Hi guys, so many of you joining in. Yay. Hello. Thank you. Okay, I'm not saying anyone's name because there's so many of you and I don't want anyone to feel bad. So that's my thing. I never say anyone's name. But I'm here as per your request. So 10 minutes of me, please spare with me. I am good. How are you? It's very cold over here and I'm sitting outside. Here is very nice. Happy New Year to all of you. And I know lots of people can't join because everybody is on a holiday, everybody's enjoying. But people like me who are sitting at home and chilling with family, we all can talk to each other. So it's great. I have my mother also here. So my mom also.
Hi. Wishing you all a happy new year. A great 2021 for each one of us.
It's very cold here and I'm sitting outside. Hi guys. I'm not taking anyone's name, sorry. There are too many people and then they'll feel bad. Health is much better. I'm still recovering, but not at the best of my health, but still happy and good. I just realized my nose also red. Okay. Woohoo! So if you guys are asking what are my plans for New Year's, so basically my in-laws had come, my ma and pa had come for lunch and I cooked them a big course meal and I'm going to put pictures. Okay. So I'll be putting that also. I'll do it all tomorrow because आज सब busy होते तो इतने likes नहीं आते. Yeah, but I made amazing food. And then I thought for dinner I'm going to make something also amazing. So I'm doing a special ladies night today. And yeah, daddy's also included. So just chilling. We'll be up till 12 and वही देखेंगे TV और देखेंगे wish करेंगे 12 बजे को. So old memories will be back again. So it'll be really cool. And my husband, he's doing really good. He is far away. And if those of you who don't know, but for the next few months, because he is out for work, so we were not going to be meeting. And those of you who are asking me for कैसी है ये सीजन 4, मेरे को कैसे पता, मैं थोड़ी ना प्रोड्यूसर हूँ जो प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. उनको जाके प्लीज पूछिए, let them know, ask them, and I'm sure they'll give you an answer. But don't ask me. And now I have my sister also, who's gonna wish you all. You have to call Zaira also. Zaira. पीछे प्लेन यहाँ बिकॉज मैं बाहर वरांडा में बैठी हुई हूँ. I'm just sitting like this. So yeah. And I'm wearing these really cool earrings called Baby. My sister's here. Happy New Year, everyone. Hi dear. कैसी है यार यहाँ से? Oh. Yeah, it'll go fast. You can just talk to them. Love you. Oh,
Coming tonight with Didi or Didi?
Rupanjal is written there.
Rupanjal.
Rupanjal.
calling me Didi, yaar.
Hi, Khushi. After so long.
I know.
Oh, we have a little one also.
There comes Zaira. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Zaira, say hi. Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year.
Hi. Nice. Very nice. Hi, Niti.
Love you both so much.
Who both? We are three.
Yeah.
We are three.
What is everyone's plans tonight? Lockdown. My first crush. Ooh.
Ooh.
How sad. I can't read now.
Abhi, your sister's very beautiful, Aditi. Mickey Mouse, Zaira.
गुलाम सीजन 2 कब आएगा?
Oh, so Varun is saying, ma'am. Hi, Varun.
I'm going.
You're going. Okay.
Say bye to everyone and go.
Bye.
Say Happy New Year once again.
Happy New Year.
So sweet. Hi Nandini. नीति मैम. अरे मेरे पे.
You want to leave? You can leave.
Happy New Year to you all. Thank you. Keep smiling. Love you, Komar. Love you. Big fan of yours.
See, you guys want me to say your name, my sister will say it.
हाँ.
I don't say anyone's name because then
MD
everybody will feel
Thakur.
bad.
Okay, some of you all are so fast na. Ashwarya hai.
Nitin Chauhan.
What's your sister?
You don't know my sister's name? Oh my god. It's Aditi and it's Neeti.
Titi.
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 Aditi.
Beautiful. Ankita. Niti Didi.
No, Neeti and Didi. That was for you.
Acha. Say my name, please. Arey.
Sumit.
It went. Say my
Manisha.
Lakshmi.
Aditi, you're telling everyone to say their names.
Both looking gorgeous. Thank you. Chal, I'm gonna have coffee. Anyone for coffee? Cappuccino?
Sing, you can sing Cappuccino and one. Promote my song.
Can you stop making me do like stupid things? Happy New Year, Nidhi. Nupur, hi.
Okay, so guys, we're going to be posting few videos. 2 videos that we've recorded today. No, tomorrow, day after, whenever we think it's the best time to put something up. So, day after. So, please like and hit all your like buttons and comment about how you like it. It's my first reel with my sister. And we made 2 reels. And they're really cool, no? Very cool. I have
And
to
somebody
edit.
is saying, Niti, I can't see you, so I'm moving away. So
Okay.
you can get full on Niti. Take care. Enjoy. Happy New Year, everyone.
Yes. Oh, Hema, Sony 14. तुम्हारी कैसी है भाई? तुम्हारी तो डीपी नहीं है. और मेरी whatever. I don't want to say anything. Okay, I am done. I'm not saying anyone's name, but I was here just to wish you all a very, very happy new year. And I wanted to wish you all because it's been so long that I've not come online, and I really, really thought ki now I should and wish you all because that was a request from all of you, and the year is ending. And I wish 2021 is like the best year for all of us, and all this stupid virus and all this sickness, everything just goes away. Happy New Year, Nina! And I just hope 21 is just amazing for all of us, and 2020 has been not bad for me. I would say that, but yes, I'm still looking forward. No, I am waiting for 2021 because I miss my friends. I miss chilling with them. there are so many restrictions right now, but I just hope that 2021 is amazing for all of us, and God bless us with lots of happiness, and we all are smiling, shining, and healthy. So wishing you all a happy new year. Lots of love. Okay, bye guys. Happy New Year. Enjoy.